How to fix Ingress Timeout stream ID error on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix the Ingress Timeout error on the Instagram app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix this, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First things first, just make sure you have updated the Instagram app, because updating will most likely fix the bugs and errors that existed in the previous versions of the application. If this doesn't help, what you might want to try to do is, if you are on an iPhone, then you can try to offload the app. But for Android users, you want to simply go ahead and long press on the Instagram app icon, then tap on the I button that you see. Once you tap on the I button, just scroll down and then go to the option called storage, and then clear the cache files, and if possible also try to clear the data. Now once you've done either of these steps, you simply want to come back and you can try to switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi, because sometimes that is also going to help solve the problem. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.